Okay, let's talk about ice damming here. There's over a foot of snow sitting in this valley, but look at all that ice underneath. A lot of that was the ice storm. You can see the ice storm itself produced dang near a full inch of ice, at least 3/4 of an inch of ice right there. So you can see in the valley, the splash guard, you got ice just 3 inches above the gutter right now. Solid as a rock. As it's thawing, it keeps freezing back up. You can see water underneath there right now. When you press on that, you can see water in there. Well, all that water is freezing back up, and it's got to go somewhere when it freezes. It's going to be backing up into the house, up the valley, and is damaging underneath. You can see how thick that is. It's solid ice.